But then you come like relatively close to her, right? Go here. Okay, good. So that's what you. I wouldn't do that. I wouldn't grab it, go to her, this, and then you come back, and then
Okay, this is the Charlie Frost Show, reporting live from Yellowstone National Park, soon to become the site of the world's largest active volcano. Mind if I join you? I only got a few minutes. Okay. Pickle?
No, thank you.
Ready, Savage. Reporting live from Yellowstone National Park, soon to become the site of the world's largest active volcano.
Hey, you got a sec? I had a question for you.
I got a minute. 3, 2, 1, and good job.
Here, put her in.
Come on.
Put her in. Get in.
Come on. Get it. Come on. Let's go.
My!
Get in, Morgan.
Oh my God.
3, 2, 1, action. And cut it! March your ears, everybody, and 3, 2, 1. Let's get on. 3, 2, 1. And the monument, someone's looking at the monument, it's crumbling. Shake. You see the monument?
Listen, we will like have a look at this. Okay. And look around a little bit, and then we can join. Yeah.
Should we try to do that?
It's kind of galling to realize that the crazies with the cardboard signs had it right all along, you know?
All those people out there, sir, shouldn't we be issuing warnings now?
After the boarding process is complete. Come on. Vancouver 2010, that's the plan, remember?
Yeah, but that was drawn up 2 years ago. Okay, look, everybody out.
Film me! Yeah. One hand to look him out. That's what I was saying, everybody out. Yeah, but it's like I think you can. 2 years ago. Sir. Then you like
Background.
I thought for sure they'd give you an extra ticket, sir.
They did.
you're an optimist.
I wasn't always. When I was a kid, my dad was on the road a lot. And he used to leave me a box full of books. And he'd call me every night and quiz me. I got an ice cream cone for every book I read, so I was a fat kid. Part of him survives.
Dr. Helmsley, please report to the Situation Room immediately.
Excuse me.
Adrian, I'm a little scared of what happens now.
Daddy, I don't know how to swim really well.
That's okay. That's what this is for, see? Look how cool this is. They got, see, you got a whistle there. I think you got even a light there. I'm looking at some. Here. Look, got all these fun things. So it's just like when you're in the swimming pool. Boys, we're all stay together. It's all going to be okay, all right?
Promise?
Yeah, yeah. Okay. And action!
I thought we were going to China.
It's going to be okay because we're going to stay together. No matter what happens, we're going to stay together. As a family.
You promise? You promise?
I promise you we're going to stay together. That's all right. That's what this is for. Let me just get your arm. See? All right, here we go. There's something logical.
Yeah, let them like they discover it. What's wrong?
You should bring your voice up louder. Okay. I can barely hear you. I can't hear you so well.
Okay.
Just so when I go again, you're not working as much. It's getting noisy in here.
To her, it's getting a little bit bumpy and wet. All still down there, and then you make a big jolt, you know, which like ends the scene. Like, ooh. And then you like kind of jump into action, and then we cut out. Otherwise, it's
No, I just don't know that well.
I do. It's really nice once you get to know him. You guys should talk more. You guys will get along really well.
Deck clear and we're shaking. Shake it up, window. Ready and start!
More snow on a stronger bank.
Roll camera, please.
It's like he's running through